Hello, graceful fans. Welcome back to Graceful Cakes. Thank you all so much for your consistent support. May God bless you really good. So today we are doing another beautiful cake, and it's a 3-tier cake. I made this beautiful cake for my church anniversary this year, and it's a fondant cake. If you want to know how to cover the cake with fondant, this video can help you. So stay tuned and do where to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, and do share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing also. It's a simple way to make a cake from home, if anybody can do. As you can see, I'm using fondant to cover these 3 tiers of cake, and it's not a very high cake, but with the fondant you can add some weight to it, can't we? Yeah. So what I'm doing right now is covering the first 3. For those who don't know how to roll out fondant, I've done a lot of videos on that, and this can also help you how to roll out your fondant before using it to cover your cake. So many people use a lot of things to cover their cake before putting fondant in order to help the fondant stick easily. Depending on you, but for this particular cake, I used buttercream to rub the cake first before putting the fondant on it so it sticks easily. You can use anything that you want to use, like water, jam, whatever cream you want to use. It's your choice. So the first layer is down, and I just improvise this board for the second one. And as usual, I rubbed it with the buttercream to help it stick. And the third board was also improvised. So you can actually improvise when you're making your cake. You don't have to spend too much money. So the ribbons for the base is not edible. It's a normal ribbon you can buy from the market. It's not edible. You could make an edible one if you want with your fondant. Like I said, it's your choice. Creativity is all you need to make a beautiful cake. I doubled the ribbon for the second layer just to give it that good color. I choose the colors for this cake wisely because of the significance of these colors. And what you're seeing right now is the flowers, and these are edible flowers made from fondant. So if you're a sugar lover, you can just eat that. And I decided to use the 2 colors, purple and pink, for the write-up. You can cut out your write-ups with your molds, depending on what you have. And then we also improvised another kind of little flowers with the fondant. They are all edible. And if you notice, I put some beads on these little flowers. It's edible beads. You can eat them. Yeah. The board is covered with fondant also, and this is the finishing touch to the cake. Little flowers at the side of the cake, and bigger ones at the top of the cake, and our cake is ready, good to go. Tell me how you like this cake. Drop a comment for me in the comment section, and do share this video with someone and support this creative work. So I decided to add some beads to the body of the fondant, and as you can see, I'm piercing it first to help the beads to stick easily so they don't fall off. So that's about all for this cake. I hope you like it. Please share this video and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. I love you all. Hope to see you again soon.